Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your iPhone, so how you can fix this problem. So for fixing it, just go to the general. In the general, just choose your Wi-Fi network. Tap on your Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off, wait for a second and just turn on again. Also you can try to tap on your network and just choose forget this network and just connect to it again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the server, so you can also just try to restore your device. So just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait for a second and just power on the phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the server, so just go to the general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.